Have you ever been chipping ice out of a water tank and accidentally hit the side of the tank and split it out? Walker had that problem this morning, and I think we all have. We've split the side of a water tank because we were chipping ice if you're in an area that has ice. We're going to go ahead and fix this tank and show you how we fix tanks here on the farm. We have many tanks here that have just had sides and blown out of them. We fixed them and they've been going strong ever since. So we're going to show you how to fix those. Before we get started, please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, and hit that notification bell. Okay, let's get going. What do we need here, bud?
Those two plastic thingamajiggers.
Okay. This tank here, it was 5 below zero this morning.
Yeah.
And Walker was chipping the ice out and he hit the side of this tank and split it. You can see here where it's leaking. We're gonna go ahead and fix that. I use stainless steel bolts, nuts, and washers. Oh, Jack's gonna say hello to everybody. Yeah? Is that right?
Good afternoon to you too.
Okay, now Jack said hello. We're gonna go ahead and fix this. We use stainless steel bolts, nuts, fender washers, and then a fender washer with a neoprene. And we'll plate it. We're gonna plate it on both sides with 55 gallon drum container pieces. We love them, and we need to clamp them on there. Clamp those on there.
Don't forget the wrenches.
They're in my pocket.
Good.
So we're gonna go ahead and dump this tank out. Shut the water off to it. We'll dump this tank out and go ahead and get it fixed.
What do you want me to do with the drill?
Huh?
What do you want me to do with the drill?
Hold on to it. Hopefully get it done. Try to pick that stuff up.
It didn't reach the metal things.
Okay, so we take our drum material. Now I got a sopping mess where I can't put my meat. Try again. Up, so we're going to need to take the hammer and tap them into place. Okay, now these here aren't lined up, so we got to get them lined up as close as possible.
Jack, get out of the back of the buggy, will ya?
Okay, that looks pretty good. Where's the other over there? We're going to go ahead and clamp it down, double clamp it. Now we need to take the drill and drill 8 holes. We'll put an extra one down here, being that it's split down at the bottom across. So we'll use 7. Okay, so we went ahead and drilled our 1/4 inch holes. Now this is the part that I'm not going to like, because we got to realign everything after I take it all apart here. Grab the torch out of the back of the buggy, bud.
pass like you.
We have ice build up in here, so we need to melt that off the torch, and then we also got ice on our. That's the inside one, bud.
All right.
Let's see this one. This is a good one. Let's set it out. Oh no, I guess it is. Alright, good. Good. Okay, so now what we got to do is.
That's the inside one, I do believe.
Yes, it is. We need to seal this up. I just used silicone gasket maker. Go around every hole, make a line up to the hole, around. Just to seal it up. I need a bolt, I need a preem washer.
The one with that special stuff on it?
Let me see it. See, here is a stainless steel fender washer with a piece of neoprene in it to help seal the hole up. And then the next time this happens, Walker will know how to fix it, and you guys will too. You'll know how to fix your tank. Okay, just hold that there, bud. Take your clamps and clamp that down.
This one?
Yep.
That good?
Yeah. If you look here, that valve area there was crushed out by a calf who knows how long ago. That's a stainless steel fender washer.
I'm grabbing those two. There you go.
Okay, give me bolts. I need 5 bolts and 5 neoprene washers.
All right.
You're gonna need 5 fender washers and 5 nuts. So, bud, you think you can fix the next one?
Next to using the torch, yeah. Good thing we only needed 7.
Yeah, good thing, huh?
Oh, Jack's still there. Along with Pinball and Cedric. Those two are hanging back. Don't want to get close to us. Like usual. Jack, on the other hand, loves to come and get ear rubs.
Okay. That's a patch that will outlast that tank, I can guarantee it. Okay, go ahead and turn that on.
Okay, can you take this? Short circuit.
Okay guys, there it is. We have our wee valve in this tank as well, pointing up towards here to keep the ice off above the float. This here's the group of animals that Walker takes care of every day. It's a mature bull, Pinball, the crazy heifer,
Yes.
and Jack, our donkey, our stud donkey. And they're pretty well across this field. I don't know, they got what?
Right.
Probably another month here yet anyhow.
In this field?
Yeah, they probably got another month here in this field, the 3 of them. And we may pull Pinball out and then put the other mature bull down here with Cedric. And then you can see our windbreaks. We keep the windbreaks in for these guys to keep them from getting cold.
Might need to move them soon though.
Okay. All right, guys. Another thing that we're going to do here on this tank.
That to make it so I don't need to bang out as much of it.
Shouldn't freeze after we get done with it here. We're going to winterize this tank a little better. Walker doesn't have to bang the ice out of it
as often. Get back in the buggy.
We'll get this tank here winterized for Walker. He shouldn't have any frozen ice in the morning. Almost guarantee it.
You want to put some snow in here?
No, it'll be okay.
Alright.
Okay guys, not only did Walker learn how to fix a water tank, but you guys did too. We've had really good success with this. It's inexpensive and it's easy to do, and you can do it on the fly. We just did this out in the field. Please subscribe, like, comment, share with a friend, hit that notification bell. See you later.
Bye. Jack, are you going to say goodbye?